All right, happy Wednesday afternoon. What a CPI day. As a group, for the members who recorded their 10, 20, 30, 40, and up runners, we had a 280 point day in our group. And it was so fantastic that I just want to celebrate you guys. And let's point out what we did because it was just a beautiful day. So, first of all, Caleb took a beautiful short coming into here, and at one point, he was up 60. At the end of the day, he captured 30 points of the move. We thought price was going to go a little further down to the bottom of the new week opening gap. But once again, how far price goes is unknown and unknowable, in my opinion, no matter how many people show you trades after they finish them. So we trade the levels as they are presented. So congratulations, Caleb. And then Justin, our guy who's just rocks these runners, captured 56 points. So he was in the 50-point club. So only counted 50 points of that towards the 280. So congratulations, Justin. And then Justin and Caleb called it the day. Okay, CPI, Friday rules apply today, a level 10, vomiting down. You knocked a 30-pointer and a 50-pointer. You're done. Just close the chart and move on. You can continue watching for the love of price action, but be careful giving back your day. And they did not give back their day. Then, actually, I'm going to go here. So Scott actually had two separate entries today where they both went 10 pointers. And I told him one more, you do a hat trick, which are 3 entries of 10 points or more. So congratulations to Scott. He had 2 10 pointers. Now, one of the things I want to tell my members is when we were helping Scott with this runner management, I feel bad about this. I didn't know, I should have asked. And so whenever you ask for help on your runners, let me know whether you entered with one contract or you entered with multiple contracts, because that changes where I recommend you put your stop. Had I known Scott had entered multiple contracts, this guy would have had a 100-pointer today. So please let me know when you need help, whether or not you entered with multiple contracts and this is your final runner, or if you entered with just one contract like I did today. But congratulations, Scott. Still a great day. Things are going your direction. That's for real. So Jackie here, once again, I kind of feel sorry for Jackie. Not really sorry. This is a trader. I'm going to put a link in the description there that not too long ago, we recorded a audio where he just got his first 20-pointer. And today he got his first 80-pointer. And had not a little mishap, and I'll talk about that here in a second, he would have had a 130-pointer today. So one of the things we're really good at, and we talked about it in this morning's briefing, we're really good at seeing the turn and getting with the trade. Okay. This is where most of us made our money today, except for the 2 shorts. And then we caught the turn and we went long. Jackie actually went long somewhere here. And then he went somewhere on an errand, which then he came back, and in all honesty, I was joking with him, hey, you should go ahead and take your take profit so I can be high runner of the day, because I didn't get into my long till here. So had we both stayed in the trade the same, he would have certainly been high runner of the day. However, as far as my members, he is high runner of the day. This group is not about my trades. I don't try to talk too much about them, but whenever there's a great trade, I love to share it. I think that's one of the fruits of what we do. So Jackie is high runner of the week for our members. He could have had a 130-pointer. So he went on an errand and came back and saw my post, and it had bounced off one of our strong levels. Let me show you our strong levels here today. I mean, come on, this is really good. Strong levels. So I forget exactly where he might have came back in, but somewhere in here, and he took it off at 80 points. And in my brain, I went, why did he get out? That's not our system. And it was just, he was a little frazzled, a lot of green. He traded with nice size, and him and I had a private discussion about it. And if you leave the house and you come back and you're still in a trade and you're up really big, breathe, take a breath, go into the group if you need and say, hey guys, where should my stop be? And remind us whether or not you have one contract or multiple contracts. Is this your final runner with multiple contracts? And we'll help get you reoriented. Okay. Because when I entered my trade here, somewhere in here, I went, guys, I am going to use the best trade management system there is. I'm going to the store. I'm getting out of my own way here because I told the group once we got over 41, we aren't coming back. And I believe that. And what a nice run. Easiest day ever to stay in a runner. So I kind of feel bad that I feel like Jackie could have had a 130 pointer, but there's nothing to sneeze about with an 80 pointer. I told him, I said, if I told you last week you were going to have an 80 pointer this week, would you be upset? And of course not. So fantastic trade, my friend. So utilize us in the group when you take a break and come back. Okay. So I actually made a really nice trade here. Now, first of all, I was pissed at myself because I was long at 41. Remember I said, if we get over 41, we ain't coming back. Well, somewhere in this little nicky area here, it was up 3 or 4 points and it came back and got me. And then it skyrocketed out of there. And I'm like, you got to be freaking kidding me. I was so pissed. I closed everything and said, I need to take a break. And then, because I was looking at the chart, I'm like, okay, if it comes back to 50 to 42, I'm going to go long. And as it was coming back in, I told the guys long, hey, you can add at 50 if you wanted. Your mileage may vary. You're responsible for your own entries. So I had an order at 50 and an order at 42, actually, and it missed my 42. Of course, it got my 50, and then it missed my 42 and ran back up. I wish it would have gotten me into both of my contracts. It's CPI. I'm trading small. This is still not bad for one little MES trade. Okay, I would have preferred to have been long here because obviously that would have been 10 more points, but that's okay. Then we managed the trade all day as a group because together we trade better. And then look how these strong levels really played out today. Here, let me slide this over because I want these. So the first warning shot to bears here. We got up over what I call the important level that has just been, if you've been watching the AM briefing the last couple of days, you know, entry. Got up over here and I almost added to my trade at 07 because when the day began, I told the group when we were here at the opening, I said, okay, if we pop up over this strong level, I'm going long. I almost added at 07, but I just said, you know what? Let's just nurse this trade. You're in a good trade. Let it roll. And I'll let it roll, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Got a double tap off this level, careful shorting above, and you can see why. We made it back up to this next strong. My 50 pointer was here. Because I went long at 50 and my 100 pointer was here. And it came to my strong level. I'm like, stupid strong levels, and it bounced. And then we skyrocketed right over it. And then when we did this, I locked in 100 points, and then I locked in 110. And then I was going to lock in 120. But let me show you this. I posted this in the group. It's a little too blown up. It's a little blurry, but this is a screenshot that I posted in the group. Let me slide this here. So it gotten up over the 500 bucks. And then I was going to lock in this. I'm long. What did I do wrong? This is bearing everything to you. I freaking added, if you know Tradeovate. I added. I didn't exit. I added. I lost 4 points on the add-on because it came down and clicked it. I'm like, why am I still long? I was thinking maybe I was long 2 contracts. I'm so confused. Long day. But I had added. And then what do? You come up here and you just hit exit. Boom. Exit out. Done. So fantastic day with that. Very proud of our traders. I'm very proud of how we work well together because truly together we trade better. If any of this caught you off sides, come check us out at microstrader.com and we will get you on the right side of the trade. We were short here. We were long here. No one added to losers and made things worse. It was a fantastic day, and I hope you had a great day too.
Stay green, my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.